Here's the PicoBT tester. Also has multiple ports, so that way you can do multiple different models. Now this requires 18 volts to power, so you need to have another variable power supply or inject 18 volts into this jig. Alright, so we're going to set one of these power supplies to 18 volts. Now you can use the coarse to get as close as possible, and then you use the fine adjustment to get the voltage just right. And then the amps is just a limiter, so the circuit itself will withdraw as much amps as it can that it needs, and then the power supply will shut off depending upon what level you set your amps. So we have it around 18 volts, as close as we can get it. Turn it off. I have a fancy little connector jig that I made. Now we can go ahead and power it on. It has a power button on the bottom left side here. So now it's going to say select which model you want to work on. So you can go left or right, or you can jump the different models. So we want to work on S19. Hit the white button for OK. Now we're going to need a connector. So this one can also do different power supplies. So it can test different power supplies. And it can also do multiple different models. So as you can see, the lines over here, that's where we're going to want to connect our cable to. So ground, power, and data. Now we'll go ahead and test. So it's finding all 76 ASICs. It's finding all the temperature sensors, even tells you the PIC version. And there you have it.